Last video we saw about solar pond. Now this is solar pond electric power plant. That means an electric power plant that is powered by solar pond. As you can see in the solar pond, it was discussed earlier, the top zone, it has low salt and the temperature of the water is generally 30 degrees centigrade. The medium zone or the gradient zone, that has little bit more salt content and its temperature is above 30 degrees centigrade. And the last one is high salt content hot brine, that's the bottom zone, generally 100 degrees centigrade or above, that will be the temperature. That is on the left hand side. On the right hand side, as you can see, there is at the top, there is a condenser, then you have a turbine, generator, and an evaporator. Okay, so the concept of power generation that is used in thermal power plants, that means in thermal power plants you use coal to produce enough heat to turn water to water vapor, and that means to turn water to steam, and that steam is used to run a turbine. Now the waste steam or exhaust steam, that is brought back to condensate level and given in the boiler. Okay, so here as you can see from here, this is the bottom zone which has the highest temperature, that converts water to water vapor. Okay, and or it at least brings it near to the water vapor level state. If not converting into steam, it at least brings it to near to that state. Okay, so as it comes to this evaporator, the water is exactly, or as it comes to this particular evaporator, there is another organic working fluid which generally has a boiling temperature less than 100 degrees centigrade. Okay, so the hot water comes to this evaporator, and the organic working fluid which is surrounding, or which is surrounding the pipes that contains this brine water, hot brine water, gets converted to its vapor state, gets converted to gas. And as you know, this gas has huge velocity and it comes to this turbine. Now in this turbine, due to the force of this gas, the turbine blades start to rotate. The turbine through the shaft is connected to a generator, and the generator the coils of the generator will move and electricity will be produced. Now this exhaust organic fluid gas, like the gas of this exhaust gas, that comes to this place, that is a condenser. Now inside the condenser already there is another pipe which is connected to this low salt content cool water, generally 30 or 20 degrees centigrade, whichever water is there, that it's connected that, and it comes to this particular condenser, and due to the reduced temperature of the brine water or this particular low salt content water that flows through this pipe, it cools this gas and converts it into liquid. That's this organic working fluid which is later pumped to this evaporator. So again the same exactly process takes place and electricity is produced. This exactly is the explanation of that.